Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss a new and novel aspect of IP, that is well-known trademark application, and how Vakilsearch can help you in the same. This is Karan Agarwal, and today we are here to discuss what is well-known trademark application and why do you need it. What are the qualifications and the prerequisites of applying a well-known trademark application? Few years back, a mark or a brand name can be declared as well-known only via a court order, be it district court, high court, supreme court or quasi-judicial authority. However, back in 2017, with the coming of the Trademark Rules 2017, under Rule 127, any entity, any brand name or any individual can apply for their brand to be protected as a well-known trademark application under Rule 124. When you apply for the same, some of the basic requisites and the requirements for the same are: the entity or the company should have a trademark application in existence in India and preferably it should be registered. Secondly, there has to be a massive enforcement or presence of some kind of enforcement to protect your brand name taking place, and any favorable orders by a district court, high court, supreme court or even a quasi-judicial authority can be taken on record. Evidence or documentary proof of the use of the trademark in India, evidence and again documentary proof as to the timeline as to for how long the mark has been in use in India, and any documentary proof to show how massively the mark is present in India. And another one last document is any kind of document showcasing the promotional activity as advertisements, social media presence, exhibits, exhibitions, conferences or any kind of promotional presence of the specific brand name. All these documents will help the trademark registry in determining as to how well known the trademark is. So once all these prerequisites are qualified and complied with, the next step that involves is what is the process of filing a well-known trademark application in India. The first step that we have to take up is, once we have all these prerequisites complied with, we will file a form TMM with the trademark registry, wherein we will compile all these information in the format of 4 specific documents. The 4 documents that are required for filing a well-known application is POA, that is power of attorney, statement of case elaborating upon our rights, evidence affidavit in support of the well-known application, wherein we will put up our arguments and all the evidences that we have to showcase that a brand name is well-known. Fourth, a list of all the documents and the copy of all the documents which showcase how the mark is well known in India. Once all the documents are there, a well-known application is filed with the trademark registry under the form TMM. To be noted, the government fees for applying for a well-known trademark application is INR 1 lakh. Once the application is filed, the next stage would be the hearing stage, wherein the IP Council will be arguing before the trademark registry as to how the mark is well known or reputed in the market. After the arguments are done, if the trademark registry is of the view that the mark is legible and eligible for well-known trademark, they will proceed and publish it in the trademark journal for a period of 30 days. And if no opposition is received from any third party, the same will be added in the well-known trademark list by the trademark registry. The next major aspect is, what are the benefits of well-known trademark application and why should one apply? Firstly, when you apply for a well-known trademark application, you get an all-round protection in all the classes, that is from class 1 to class 45. So currently, when you apply for a normal trademark application, you apply for the trademark in the relevant class or in the relevant business that you are actually conducting business in, and the mark is protected for that specific business itself. However, the well-known trademark application will give you an all-round protection in all the classes, be it for any business at all. So, in cases of any instances of any infringement of your brand name for any other unrelated goods or business or service, appropriate action can be taken against that infringer on the basis of the well-known trademark application. Second aspect is, once you have the well-known trademark application, you have a kind of a virtual guarantee of success in trademark infringement cases before district court, high court, supreme court or even quasi-judicial authorities. Third aspect, the trademark registry themselves take appropriate action to ensure to prevent any kind of infringement scenarios of your trademark. They do that by keeping a check of any same or similar trademarks being applied for any entity in any other unrelated goods and services too. Coming on to the next and the most important aspect is why Vakilsearch. As shared earlier, well-known trademark application is a must for any and all major brand names who are expanding massively in India and have created a huge reputation for themselves in the market. All brand managers, IP counsels and brand experts who want to ensure a 360-degree protection of their brand name should go ahead and apply for the well-known trademark application right away. The most important and the crucial aspect that Vakilsearch is providing is the IP counsels who will be arguing the matter before the trademark registry for well-known applications are highly experienced counsels and have the highest success rate in getting the marks registered as well-known trademark application. So, if you have any further queries with respect to well-known trademark application process, what are the merits, what is the process of application, any specific queries, please feel free to reach out to us and please feel free to click on the given link and reach out to us.